I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only.
Welcome back. Today your girl is about to make some MANISH water. Yes, MANISH water. So here I have some goat feet. I did not get any head, belly, and some burnt goat. I season my meat with herbs and spices. That's the finished seasoned meat. And then I'll be adding this in my slow cooker with some pimento seeds, some garlic to pressure while I'm working. I added some onions in it because it gives my soup a really good flavor and taste. These are some of the veggies I'm using: coyote, turnip, pumpkin, Irish, carrots. I'll be using some corn, some green bananas. I'll be putting them in the skin, my regular flour dumpling, and some celery in my soup. So once everything cooked, the meat was cooked, I started to add in the veggies and the food. Every Jamaican cook this different. This is one of my #1 soup. I added my food to this, and I'll be using some ram goat noodle to help to bring the flavor up. My celery is the last thing that I add after I add my scallion, thyme, pepper, and I taste my soup to make sure it has the taste and the flavor recommended or I want. As Jamaicans do, you can tip a little white rum in it. It's optional, or a little red label wine. It helps to bring the flavor up. Taste as you go, and you season as you go to the flavor and the taste that you want. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm welcoming you with open arms. Thank you for coming to my channel. Please remember to give your girl a like. It's free. Please give your girl a thumbs up on this. I continue to stir it for it not to be in the bottom catching, and I had to change the pot. On medium heat, I leave it to boil. I did not add any flour, any cornstarch. I just allow it to boil to get to the levels I want it to get to. A little thick, not watery. There is my soup all done and ready to be dished. Thank you again for coming to my channel. Please remember to give your girl a like on the videos when you watch them. There is my soup. I did add some Jamaican style sweet potato in it because I did not have any yam. That's the only thing that was missing. Let me tell you something, this MANISH water tasted good. Stay tuned. See you soon in another video straight from Shell's Island Flavor Cooking. Dongayard cooking, Jamaica cooking. Stay tuned. Home cooked meals are important, essential, and economical.